How to change aspect ratio in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can change aspect ratio of your video in CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe. Firstly, open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here you can see a new project. So click on new project. So after this, select the video from your gallery. So after selecting the video, here you can see add option. So click on add option. So after this, you can see here different options on the bottom side. So just scroll to left side. So after this, you can see the options of aspect ratio. So click on aspect ratio. So you can select 9:16 or you can select 16:9. So you can see in this way you can change aspect ratio of your video in CapCut. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.